What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Alrighty, so here's Ethereum on the daily candlesticks, and the first thing we're going to be looking at here is this major trend line. So as you can see, Ethereum has tested this major trend line multiple different times. We do have one test right here, another test right here, a third test right here, and a fourth test of this trend line right here. And this is looking really good here on this trend line. We do have an ABC correction down to that trend line. So this is a really good buy zone for Ethereum. We're super oversold. If you know anything about the MACD or the RSI, as you can see, we're oversold on the daily with the MACD. We're also oversold on the 2-day with the MACD, and I'm pretty sure on the 3-day as well. Yeah, on the 3-day we're oversold. So on all of these bigger time frames, we're super oversold, and we've started to bounce up a little bit here on the 12-hour, but a lot of times when you're super oversold like we were right here on the 12-hour, you're going to bounce all the way back up to the higher end of the MACD. So there's a lot of momentum, potential for momentum here on the 12-hour time frame with the MACD. So we are looking really good here with Ethereum, multiple different technical reasons to be picking up Ethereum down here at dirt cheap prices. And by the way, I've shown this in my previous videos about Ethereum, but it's super important that you guys know about this. If you don't know about this, you're going to learn right here, right now, because it can change your life forever. Ethereum could be the next Amazon, you guys. If we pull up Amazon right here and just compare the early day Amazon cycle to what's happening on Ethereum right now, the similarities between these two markets is astonishing. So this correction right here that happened on Amazon in 2008 is virtually identical to the recent correction that we had on Ethereum. So you can see the same trend line trending up from the lows on both of these charts. You have that same trend line going up from the lows. And you also have the bubble. So this was the internet bubble right here on Amazon. And this was quote unquote the crypto bubble here on Ethereum. So we have that market cycle, and then we pull all the way back in a big correction, and we start to recover with a lot of strength and confidence. And then the market has one more big shakeout, just like what happened in 2008 over here on Amazon, before what I think is going to have happen here with Ethereum is we'll have a big V-shaped recovery and really start to take off. So that looks super good here to have the same market structure that we've previously seen on Amazon that we're seeing on Ethereum today. Now, this means that there's a lot of upside. That means Ethereum at $2,400 per coin is extremely undervalued, just like how Amazon was super undervalued down here when Amazon went to about $2 per share in 2008. So I really like this setup based on fractal analysis for Ethereum. So let's keep talking about Ethereum because there's a little bit more going on here than just the comparison and just the oversold conditions. If you look on various exchanges, you're going to find a lot of different examples of a lot of volume on Ethereum across different exchanges. We also have a bit of a wedge here. So this is a bullish pattern that we've seen Ethereum historically paint multiple different times. As you can see, we had a big wedge right here on Ethereum that did lead to a big bullish breakout along the way down. And then we had another wedge back here in 2018 that also led to a big bullish breakout on Ethereum. So Ethereum does historically do these wedges. It historically has formed these wedges multiple different times before big moves on the upside. As you can see, we had that one in 2018 and this one in 2022. And now we formed another mini wedge right here in 2024. So we were talking about a summer correction happening. I know the ETF got approved up here and everybody was super, super bullish up here. But we were talking about how Ethereum was actually a pretty good sell to pick it up cheaper. And that's exactly what happened. Price first moved down to the support level, then it moved down to the next horizontal support level, which, by the way, we are on horizontal support, as well as that upward trending support line. So there's confluence between our trend line and our horizontal support here with Ethereum. So you guys, this looks really good. There's definitely no reason to be a bear down here. There's definitely no reason to panic sell after a correction like this. If you've learned anything about crypto or investing over the past however long you've been doing it, hopefully you've learned not to panic sell, because panic selling is one of the fastest ways to pretty much make yourself super mad at yourself later. Because all of the pros, all of the whales, they're all buying in dips like this. They're all picking it up super, super cheap because they understand that the market is going to turn around, is going to see a lot more upside. So they're buying all of the dips. I mean, look how quickly this dip got bought back up here in 2022. And by the way, if you go back on my channel, you can see that I was bullish on Bitcoin and the whole crypto markets down here at the bottom. Why? Because I've learned in my trading career not to be bearish after blood in the streets, after big corrections. I've learned to buy in the dip, to buy people's fear, because that's what's profitable. You know, for example, Wrapped Dog, I've been picking up a lot of Wrapped Dog lately, and Wrapped Dog had another correction just the other day, and I bought. Why? Because I know what's coming for Wrapped Dog, and we're already starting to see the early signs of that today. We've already had like a 20% bounce in the last 6 hours on Wrapped Dog, and this big triangle pattern is going to lead to a lot of profit for those people who know what's happening. We had a perfect triangle breakout retest, and so I bought the dip here on Wrapped Dog because I know that a lot of vertical movement is coming in this coin, just like what happened on our last call. There was a VIP call, Frog, or FWOG is it spelled. You can see FWOG here was also in a big triangle pattern, and I was picking up FWOG and posting in the Discord. I even bought some for my grandma. She made like pretty dang good money here on FWOG right here in that triangle because I knew we were going to have a big bullish breakout. And why? Because there was a lot of blood in the streets right here, and the market was painting a perfect triangle. It was on MEXC. There was a lot of reasons to be bullish, so I posted in the VIP area and let everybody know, all my VIP members, hey, I was like, you guys, FWOG is one of the best setups. If I had to pick out of top 3 meme coins, FWOG would be one of them. That's what I told everybody. And the market went up like 600% right after that. And I'm telling you again right now that Wrapped Dog is going to go up as well. So you buy the dip, you buy the trading patterns, you buy where people are fearful. And that's how you make a bunch of money in these markets. You can print money in the crypto markets if you know what you're doing. You just have to have your head on straight and you have to be watching the charts. Not all the time, you don't have to be crazy about it, but you have to know what's going on and have your head on straight and buy the dip and don't panic sell. So when I see something like this on Ethereum, I think, man, if people only understood just how much money they could make buying the dip, buying people's fear, buying where people are fearful. Be greedy when other people are fearful, and fearful when other people are greedy. That's why I was scared up here to buy Ethereum, even though everybody was telling me that it was going to supermoon up to a new all-time high. Why? Because I saw everybody getting super greedy up there, and we were at major resistance levels, and I thought this thing is going to pull back. And that's exactly what it did. It pulled all the way back down to like 2,300 per Ethereum, like perfectly. So if you have your head on straight, and once you've learned how to do this stuff, and by the way, check out my VIP link in the description box below for lifetime VIP, and make sure you guys also apply for my mastermind coaching so you guys can learn how to do this stuff yourself. But once you know how to do this, you're going to buy the dip. You're going to be greedy when other people are fearful, and fearful where other people are greedy. So get ready for some big moves coming here on Ethereum. I'm super excited about this setup, super excited about what's coming for this coin. Don't be afraid to buy an ABC correction. That is exactly what pros do, and that's exactly what we see here for Ethereum. I mean, if you look, that's what this was too, a big ABC correction. The only difference is this one's smaller. The opportunity is super high to buy the dip here, just like it was in 2018 too, this ABC correction down here. Every time Ethereum has painted these ABC corrections, whether big or small, it's been an opportunity to pick up dirt cheap Ethereum coins. And that's what we have right here on Ethereum. So yeah, that's my view on Ethereum. I do expect this dip to be bought back up really quickly, and I do expect us to push right up through major resistance and start to head up past the old all-time high as well. So first we're going to break back up towards our major resistance at 4,000, and then I'm expecting a breakout above the old all-time high. So that's what I'm watching for Ethereum. You guys, also the total crypto market cap is still following our trading plan perfectly. We're watching for a big bull flag. In the big picture, we already had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we're getting ready for a big extended fifth wave in the crypto markets, which should be super, super profitable. If you guys don't know about the extended fifth wave, just Google it, do a little bit of research. That's what's coming here for crypto as we head into the mass adoption phase. By the way, we do also have a bull flag here on the smaller time frame with the total crypto market cap. So this is a super, super bullish pattern. Watch for us to break above the resistance of this pattern and really start to take off here. This also coincides with our big picture extended fifth wave to see this bullish pattern forming on the total crypto market cap. So again, you can Google a lot of these patterns. You're going to learn a lot from Google Images. I know it sounds silly, but Google Images has so many different trading patterns, falling wedge, rising wedge, all of that. Also, make sure that you guys join the Discord, because in the free Discord area, I do have a place called Knowledge and Links, and there's top trading patterns in here. It's just a Google Drive link. I have a whole bunch of trading patterns in that Google Drive link, along with some information about what ones have the highest probability. So definitely check that out. And yeah, that's my view on Ethereum and the total crypto market cap, and a little bit of Wrapped Dog update here as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. And yeah, that's my Ethereum update. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.